review, we will know how to properly cite sources using the APA format 7th edition, how it is written in text citation, and how it should appear in the reference list. So as we know that there are two types of in-text citation, and these are the parenthetical citation and the narrative citation. Now, when we talk about parenthetical citation, the author's name or the family name of the author, as well as the publication year, appear in parentheses after the statement. So that is parenthetical citation. Now, when we cite using the narrative citation, the author's name is integrated into the text as part of the sentence. For example, TAS 2020 found that. Okay, so how do we cite in parenthetical and narrative citation if we only have one author? All right, so for example, in parenthetical citation with only one author, early pregnancies disrupt education and hinder educational attainment, thus exacerbating illiteracy. And then we open parentheses, then Denya, this is the last name of the author, comma, 2022, this is the year of publication, and then close parentheses, period. Okay, so that's how we cite using the parenthetical citation with only one author. Now, if we want to cite the author using the narrative citation, this is how it should be written. No? Denya, this is the author's name, and then you put the year of publication in an open in the parentheses. Okay, for example, Denya 2022 emphasized that early pregnancies disrupt education and hinder educational attainment, thus exacerbating illiteracy. Okay, so I hope that you see the difference between the parenthetical, wherein the author's name as well as the year is should appear after the statement. Okay, and then in the narrative, the author's name as well as the publication name is integrated as part of the sentence. Okay, so how do we cite in-text citation if we have two authors? Okay, in parenthetical citation, for example, this has a significant impact on the success of teaching and learning. And then open parentheses, Minhua and Hawk 2024, close parentheses and period. As you notice, we use the ampersand sign, okay, when it is parenthetical citation. But when it is a narrative citation and then we have two authors, it is and it should be written like this. Minhua and the word and should be written in full. And Hawk and then the year of publication agreed that this has a significant impact on the success of teaching and learning. Okay, so this is how it should be written when we have two authors. Okay. So moving forward, if we have more than two authors, okay, um, how do we write it in the parenthetical citation if we have more than two authors? For example, the risk factors of malnutrition among learners are significantly influenced by socioeconomic, health-related, and environmental challenges that affect educational trajectories in developing countries. And then open parenthesis, Amuado, that is the name. This is the last name of the first author. And then et al. Et, wala ng period, and then al, after al, a period, and then comma, and then the year of publication, and close parenthesis. So this is how we write et al. In parenthetical citation. But if we use the et al. As the narrative citation when we have two authors, it will appear like this: Amuado et al. Period. Wala nang kama, ha? Amuado et al. Period in the year of publication noted that the risk factors of malnutrition among learners are significantly influenced by socioeconomic, health-related, and environmental challenges that affect educational trajectories in developing countries. Okay, so that is how we write the et al. If we have more than two authors, and then if we use parenthetical citation, and then it should look like this. And then if we cite them using the narrative citation, then it will look like this. Okay. All right. What will happen if there is no author found in the journal or the article? Okay, so this is how we write if there is no author. So you write the name of the institution or the agency. For example, the data prove that there are regional disparities between rural and urban areas. That's PSA, comma, and then the year of publication. How about when there is no publication year? So there are really articles, there are really journals that you cannot found any date of publication. Now, when you found that one, then this is how you write it. Okay, for example, Taz, this is the name of the author, and then you cannot find a date, then just write N period D, no, or no date and then period. All right. Okay, so there are four components in in how do we write the reference, right? So we it should appear with the author, and then author first, and then the date of publication, and then the title. So please note that the title shall be written in a sentence case. So as you notice here, so Hungry Minds, why education, hindi na nagsisimula ng big letters. It is written in sentence case. And then the source or the DOI. The source where the work can be retrieved. Okay, for example, these are the example. So, how the citation should appear in the reference list. So, hanging, it should be written in hanging indention. Okay, so as you notice here, Catalina, this is the author's name, and then the year of publication 2024, then period, and then the title of the work. Okay, curriculum comparison in Philippine education, it is written in a sentence case, and then the source where the work can be retrieved, and then the ISSN, and then the DOI, and so on and so forth. So this is hanging indented. Okay, so how do we find APA format citation? Madali lang. Okay, so when you browse in any articles or journal, meron yang nakalagay na site. As you can see here, my site dyan, and then you click that one, and then it will lead you to um, this one, and then you click here, and then you choose APA format, and it will give you right away this APA format. And how to do hanging indention. So how do we do hanging indention? Okay, so just in your Word, you can find here paragraph, this one. There is an arrow down here. You click that one, and then it will lead you to this, um, how do you call this one? And then you select hanging, and then double space. Usually kasi yung mga papers, mga dissertations and thesis, double space yan. Okay, so you click that one, and then automatically your reference list will look like this. Ha? Hanging indention. Okay? All right. So that would be all. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope that you learned something in this presentation. Good evening.